Hello, my friends. Happy Mother's Day. I thought I'd go somewhere a little more peaceful. Hopefully it'll be peaceful here. It is a bit windy, so I'm going to do my best to share a Mother's Day Sunday stroll with you. If you've not ever met me before, I'm Kathryn Lovewell from Kind Mind Academy, and I'm a bit of a cheerleader about self-compassion. And by golly, if ever there was a human that requires a lot of compassion, self-compassion, is of course mums. Because, you know, as mums, we hold a lot. We hold the worry of not being able to make everything just right for our kids. We hold the heartbreak when stuff goes wrong and they just have to go through it. We hold the heartache of watching our children grow and not need us in the same way that they used to. Hello, my friends. Hello, you're very beautiful, aren't you? Can you see? Look at these beauties. Gorgeous. Let me see if I can zoom in. I can't seem to zoom in. I don't know why. Anyway, how cute are they? Yes, you get back to manging. So, I'm a bit of a dreamer. I'm not into saccharin, not into the sweet sickly stuff, but I'm a bit of a romanticist. And also, combined with that, I really love rites of passage, moments of celebration. And we don't get many in our Western culture, do we? And these special days are one of the few opportunities we have to honour, whether it's Mother's Day, Father's Day, well, Kindness Day, different one, sorry. Birthdays, that's the obvious other one. I'm just going to pause for a minute. Look at this. So I've never been here before, and I wanted to share with you the beauty and the peace. You know, us mums need some peace now and again. If your kids are little, you really need some peace. And sometimes, I don't know about you, but locking yourself in the bathroom doesn't even work. Oh, I'm sorry if it's windy. It is windy. It's only going to get windier. Try and protect you. So, what's my message today as I take you on a Sunday stroll of peace and tranquility? Of course, it's a warm reminder that you're amazing. You're brave, courageous, strong, and much stronger than you think, even when the hormones are raging, which they often do. Once you've had those little kiddie winkies. And can you be kind to yourself? You know, you're so great at looking after everybody else. Can you take a moment today and really honour yourself? Everything that you hold, the love, the kindness, the forgiveness, the generosity, the laughter, the effort. We make so much effort. We want to make it special for our kids, for our families. And sometimes it feels like they don't notice. And they can't really appreciate the depth of love that we have for our kids, the depth of suffering that we experience because we can't make it better, or that they've basically left home, or they find their mates far more interesting than you. Oh, that's a tough one. Or that basically they're being belligerent and rude and and stretching their who am I muscles, and you're the battering ram. Yeah, if we wrote a job description, I don't think many people would sign up. Having said all of that, I want to, of course, celebrate the magnificence, the privilege, the joy of being a mum. And maybe you're a grandma, maybe you're an auntie, an uncle, a father, but parenthood, children, connection with them is an absolute joy and privilege. And it's because of you that they're growing, testing you, finding out who they are. It's because of you. It's so peaceful here, so calm. I hope that you can take a moment to breathe, to include yourself in the loving kindness you give to your whole family, to honour and delight in being a mum. All the great things you've done, all the mistakes you've made, all of it. That's the magical package that is very special. And we all do our absolute best. Sometimes our best just isn't great, but that's what we've got because we're exhausted. We're worn down. However, the number one thing I'd really like you to take away today is that I see you. You are seen. And even if you don't feel seen, for all the amazing things you did and continue to do and will do at 3 a.m. in the morning when you get a phone call saying, "Mum, I've got a flat tire," or "Mum, I'm really not well. What's going on? I'm scared." That you will show up as the best mum. You will show up. I'm not talking about superhuman, super mum stuff. No, I don't do that stuff. I'm talking about the gritty, real, messy, compassionate mum that shows up and loves regardless of payment at the end of the day. So thanks for being a mum. I think mums are the leaders in our world, and you are teaching your amazing children how to be compassionate humans, how to be kind, how to be patient, tolerant, curious, all those wonderful values. So thank you. I'm really proud to be a mum. Choke myself up now. I love my kids. I think they're great. Yeah, it's one of the the biggest privilege of my life, really, and probably the biggest miracles. So big love to my boys, and super big love to you, especially if you're a mum. Happy Mother's Day. God bless. And just a little addition, I don't think you'll be able to see it. In amongst all that mist are the needles. Can you just see them? There they are, there they are. It's the most crazy weather. It's sunny, but there's all this crazy mist coming across. It's really stunning. Probably doesn't look very stunning there, but anyway, happy Mother's Day. Much love. Enjoy your day. God bless. Hello again. Well, I'm out of the windy bits. It's a bit calmer in here. I just wanted to say one more thing that I forgot to mention, and that is, if you've recently lost your mum, it's been just over a year since I lost my amazing mum. If you lost her many years ago, but you still feel that little hole in your heart, then please offer yourself tons of compassion. So it's a bittersweet day in many ways for many of us, but it's only a little bit sad because of the joy and the delights that our mums have brought us in all the ups and downs. So just to acknowledge that, and to hold yourself compassionately if there's a little bit of a bittersweet experience today. Much love. Bye for now.